Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that like and subscribe button and let's get right into today's video. So today's video is going to be pretty much a little short tutorial, nothing too long or too intermediate, I guess you'd say. So here I have my practice hand prepped and I'm taking this crystal clear acrylic from Acrylic. I do have a discount code with her, so it'll be linked down below in the description as well as a link to her website. I will be applying a layer of clear acrylic to all the nails. So if you haven't noticed by the thumbnail, we are going to be doing like the water droplet design, I guess you'd say. I don't really know what it's called, but I'm calling it the water drop design. It's kind of where it has like the water drops underneath the nail. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm going for today's video. So again, I will be applying clear acrylic to all of the nails and then we will be moving on to the next step after that. Oh, and I did forget to mention today's video is left in real time, so you can kind of see how I do everything in real time. So yeah. Now that I have my acrylic nice and applied, I'm taking my hand file and just gently shaping up the sidewalls along with the free edge. I do also just lightly go over the surface of the nail just to smooth out anything from my application. As I did do just a thin layer of that clear, I don't want to go too hard with the file because I don't want to remove any of that acrylic. And also to mention, since this is a practice hand, I don't typically build up the nail like I would if I was doing it on an actual client or like myself. So that's why you kind of don't see like an apex or any thickness or structure that the nail needs. I don't have none of that on here. I also apologize if you hear my kids in the background throughout this voiceover. I am a stay-at-home mom, so I do this when I can. That's why I try to upload videos even if it doesn't have a voiceover, because with 2 kids it's hard, but I'm doing my best. So again, sorry if you hear them in the background. Next, I'm taking my mini buffer and just gently going over the surface of the nail. You don't actually have to do that, as I'm not doing no design on top of the nail, but I do like to always buff the nails afterwards. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm doing that here, and then we will be moving on to the next portion of this video. Next, I'm taking my Mo Nails top coat and I will be flipping the hand over, and this is what I will be using to do the water drop effect. You can use rhinestone glue, you can use whatever you have. I just chose to use top coat for this step. So here I'm taking my brush and just doing small little dots of the top coat, and then I will kind of let it spread out just a little bit, and then I will be curing it in the lamp for 30 seconds to make sure it's nice and fully cured. Again, with the top coat, just doing the little dots underneath the nail and then curing that in the lamp. I will be doing this to the rest of the nails, and then after I've applied it to all of the nails, I will cure it for a full 60 seconds just to make sure everything's nice and fully cured. So this is what it's looking like underneath the nail, and then I will be flipping it over and applying the top coat on top of the nail. After I've applied the top coat, you can see how nice it is, how well the top coat and the crystal clear acrylic from 𝐿 go together. It's truly crystal clear with her crystal clear acrylic powder. So I highly recommend purchasing this powder. She does have it in a couple different sizes. I know that. I think it's 1 ounce, 2 ounces, 6 ounces, and 12 ounces, I believe. I'm not quite sure, so the link, like I said, is down below, so if you'd like to check it out, you can go ahead and do that. I do also have a code that will save you 20% on all your purchases, so that is the link down below as well in the link tree under affiliates and codes. But this pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!